Good morning, hunters. Let's get right to it for Tuesday hunt. The market yesterday was crazy. We have to be prepared for today market. We still have First Republic Bank bumping almost 50%. We have to watch out for the banking system. They are recovering now. Yesterday we talked about them, and the price actually reversed from our reversal area and support. You see clearly that the price still holding now above the 42. We already did chart analysis update here on our Discord and Patreon. The prices have a potential for another pump. The other bank as well doing all right. Welcome everybody. Yeah, FRC is pretty volatile. Now is 50%. 50% up. Welcome everybody. Welcome Sunray. Amjad. Good morning. How everybody doing? What's gonna be for today? Which stock we should have a reversal? The market is reversing now. We have a great pre-market for many stocks. And the reason for that, because we got some recovery for the banking system, which drive the market really down in the last few days. We have panic. Panic, man. Panic. In panic mode, we could actually make a lot of money. When people get afraid, there's opportunity to make money. If we are calm, of course. It's really hard to be calm during the hurricane or the turmoil. This is the trick. We need to be comfortable with chaos, because the more that you are relaxed and focus, you can find opportunity. In the chaos time, there's always opportunity. INTC, potential pump for today. Pre-market doing all right. Let us try to bring the stock that have potential. We got INTC, HUT is pumping 18%. 18% for HUT. Yeah, cryptocurrency looking good. Cryptocurrency looking good as well. cryptocurrency pumping because Bitcoin is pumped from the 25. Now we have a bull run for a lot of coin. We got Matic, we got ADA, we got Ethereum. All of them are have a potential pump. For Gala is just testing our breakout zone. The market is doing all right for crypto. We got new highs for crypto. That's why we see a reaction, because Bitcoin overcome the 25,000. You see what happened? All coin breaking new levels. So we got something going on. Ethereum Classic going toward the 24, which is the breakout zone. We got Dogecoin breaking this descending channel. We have one resistance left to have a huge breakout. Shiba Coin as well looking interesting. We bounce from this circle, and there's about we are about to break this level around the 11. So this is a breakout zone for Shiba Coin. However, Bitcoin is the top gainer for this list, and it's not over yet, because this is just the start. If we go in the big picture, as we said, the 25 is the most important level to break for Bitcoin, and guess what, we broke it beautifully today, and there's a potential a continuation for this important level for this year, the 29, which change the bearish momentum for the market and enter in bullish trend. Yeah, here we enter another bullish run. This is it. Bitcoin will have a huge reversal there around the 30,000. We need just to make the 25,000 as a support to confirm that, and we gonna have a huge run for cryptos. I'm watching Matic for a huge pump and ADA, because both of them just broke our resistance. The rest is just testing. So Bitcoin, Matic, and ADA, three of them just broke from important resistance. The rest, Shiba Coin, Dogecoin, is below and just testing. We got Ethereum Classic kind of breaking, it's just testing as well. Gala testing our resistance. AXS still below, Trust Wallet below, Luna Classic below, Ethereum below. So we got just 3 coin just pumped from our level of resistance, and we are watching them for a continuation. Yes, so let's go to our list once again. We got Tesla doing all right in pre-market. It's going down once again. Interesting, because we are about to break this descending channel for Tesla. There's something going on with Tesla. Let's see a hold up above this level. We watching FRC top gainer for today. 55%. We hunted this yesterday and today. Yesterday we hunted on this breakout, the 34, and we said the 42 which should be the first profit taken. And then we did another chart analysis update before the market opened today. Yeah, we had it yesterday and we got rejected around the 42. Price went down, held support, then pump once again. Great trade for our hunters. So we got BXMD as well, pumping, got rejected around the $2.14. Let's put FRC first, then TNX, still holding, but not now. HYMC, 4% down, of course. IOTA is 2% up, so let's put IOTA second. And the other bank is about to break the $60. $60 should be a breakout zone for the stock we're watching, so we put this second. And let me just bring Tesla, because if we held this current support when the market opened, we might see a pump. HUT have a pullback. And Lucid is still holding the bottom, $7.42. We might see a breakout for today. We might see a test around this area. The $8.21 should be interesting level to break. $8.21. We bought Lucid first, then INTC, CVNA, maybe, but still a bit below our breakout zone. DKNG looking interesting. SIDO not now. AMC is still struggling. Let's check if we have another stock. Should be a good pump for today. CMMD not looking good. Xella still down. Neo is still hovering below the 9. Okay, let's watch those three stocks: FRC, SCHW, and Tesla. Yeah, this one looking interesting for a breakout. TNX is still we're watching it. It's still watching it because we have double top yesterday. That's why we still hold. We're still watching and holding this trade because there's a potential for a reversal from this bottom, the 60 cents. If we're still holding it, it means there is a potential for the 79 break. For IOTA, yeah, the $3.16. So yeah, we got those stocks. Let me just check the other stock. We might hunt for other stocks. We got AIMD. Pre-market volume is around the 4 million. Pre-market high around the $1.68. Oh man, and now 72 cents. We dropped big time in the pre-market. Yeah, you see, we have this top. Price went down. AIMD. We got a huge seller there and a huge buyer there, and there's potential for going toward at least the $2.28 and then the $2.79 or 97. Let's see, now we are 66%. There is a potential for this one to go at least around the 3. Yeah, this one should be a top gainer for today. It's good that we have this drawback for a potential entry. However, I will put alerts down around the support just in case if we dropped from the $1.98. AIMD, this one looking interesting. PACW, low volume, not good, brother. This one maybe. Yeah, we got a lot of questions regarding this stock yesterday. Yesterday we dipped 21% and now is 50% up. We got support 12.12. We got resistant or profit taken. Interesting. Now is around the 14. We might see a test for the 17 and then around the 26 or the 25. So we got some levels to watch out for a profit. The other one here. Yeah, we got many questions for this one before regarding where we gonna go. BACW. Yeah, TNX would put alerts. Is a bit far for today with IOTA. Let's see. We have to prepare an order when the market open. We don't have to watch all the stocks, but the only stock that have tested our level of resistance. Otherwise, we don't have to keep looking. Of course, after a few minutes or few hours, we have to check the market if we have another stock that's pumping. The time being, the first half an hour, we should prepare. Okay, this one I don't like it. Not good. Too expensive. Light float. Oh, Mara now is jumping from the bottom, the $5.23, going toward the $9.45. Okay, I will be interested to buy the stock around the $9.36. Otherwise, we might short it instead. I will keep my eyes closely to this stock. Marathon Digital Holding. Looking interesting. Not here, but pre-market update. Because if it pumped, we're gonna do pre-market update for this stock. Not AMC, because AMC is still struggling in between the resistance support. CVNA is a bit far from the resistant. HUT have a pullback. Boom. We got 5 minutes left for the opening bell. What's going on, everybody? We watching FRC, top gainer for today. FRC is still up 51%. We got a great setup with this other stock. Banking system doing all right. We have potential pump for this one as well, over the 60. Tesla is doing all right. It's still holding this current breakout zone around the 177. We might see a continuation because now is 2% up. IOTA, there's potential. TNX, not now. HYMC, and between resistance and support, I'll put it down. IOTA, there's a potential. AIMD, we might have a potential as well. This one looking interesting. Let me just put it here. Okay, so we have our list set up. We got everything set up. Great hunt for WAL. A lot of people hunt the bottom. Welcome, John, welcome. Someone said I'm keeping eye on SIVB. Ray, let's check this one if it's unhalted now, because yeah, we're still watching this one, but I don't know if it's unhalted because it's been halted for days now. Yeah, it's still halted. There is no trading. Yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on this one as well because we got a great bottom. There's a huge potential for this one to reverse because we have a buyout. Wow, yeah, this one should be a great hunt for this one. I already have many alerts, you see. I will just take this alert because it's a bit far. We have alert from bottom and below, so we'll take it from now, from here, and just watch FRC instead because there's a potential huge pump now when the market open. 3 minutes left. This one is pretty volatile. Watch out, guys. This one got halted yesterday over 5 times or even 6 times. In pre-market, even halted so many times. So watch out. And many of you, if you don't know what halts is when the price of the stock go like over 10% in few minutes or even few seconds, the price get halted just to protect the traders from forming or selling hard. So any price going 10% up or 10% down, usually the trading will be stopped for the stock. That's why we said the FRC is heavily traded and at the same time volatile. And that's why it halted so many times. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes left for the trading session for today, Tuesday. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Yes, Joseph, you are the hero. You are the hunter. Are you ready, Joseph, my brother? Are you ready to hunt with us? Yeah, I know, I know. We got over 100 watchers, but just 18 likes. I know. Many of our hunters here just focus on the live streaming. That's why they forget to actually like the video. So I understand completely. The hunters are focused on our live streaming. That's why they forgetting to like the video. So no problem. I understand. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open. Just 1 minute left. Let's go. We're watching FRC for a huge pump, and this one as well, SCHW, to break the $60, and Tesla as well. We need to hold this support. Let's go, guys. FRC. What's gonna be FRC? We have a support around the $42. $42 is the support. Breakout zone $54. Okay, let's get right to it. Okay, the market opened 59. FRC is pumping. HUT it's gonna be. We have a bit of selling pressure. Let's go on a 1 minute chart. We have a bit of selling pressure. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, Tesla looking good. Huge bump for Tesla. Undecisive. The market undecisive now. You see what's happened for SCHW test? Yes, we have a breakout kind of, and test again and rejection. Yeah, we don't have a breakout yet. SCHW testing the breakout zone around the $60. Let's see here, hold up for this level, the support. Let's see a breakout now for SCHW. $60, where the shorts have to cover. 60, 60.08, 60.11. Still testing. Okay, we have kind of breakout for this one. $51.60. What's going on with FRC? It's going down. IOTA, oh man, we got the breakout for IOTA. We got a breakout for IOTA. Finally, we have a breakout for this one. Okay, let's add a bit here. Okay, we have alert for Tesla. Okay, Tesla is pumping. Tesla is pumping. Okay, Tesla is pumping. Let's see a continuation for Tesla. I'm breaking this ascending channel. Okay, we have interesting level for Tesla to break and continue breaking. We got this level to test, 183. Let's see a test here. Okay, this one got rejected around the 60 once again. FRC and this one have a bit of selling pressure. FRC, I think, is all the people who are trading the banking system watching FRC, because FRC, if it broke the 54, we're gonna have a green light for SCHW as well. That's why we don't have a break for the 60. You see, the market is still testing for the banking system. Watch out, the $60 is still the breakout zone for this stock. Okay, we have this test rejection. We didn't even hold 1 minute. Interesting. I will put this level here. There is a rejection going on. I'm not leaving this one. There is a potential. FRC is still, yeah, getting rejected as well. 54, as we said, is resistant. We might see a continuation down to test this ascending channel, then breaking. So FRC is still looking interesting. I'm watching FRC and IOTA as well have a pullback, but it look really interesting to go toward the 4. FRC still, SCHW still. Tesla is pumping toward the 183. Yeah, Tesla is, we have a breakout. You see what's happening here? We have a breakout from this descending channel. So there's a potential continuation for this bullish momentum for Tesla, at least around the 183. Yeah, we got rejected for this one. For FRC still. Wow, this one got rejected around the 60. IOTA is still holding 17% up. Let's see a continuation for this hold around this area. HYMC is going down. Okay. We have to be really quick to understand which one should be the stock that we should watch. Okay, IOTA looking interesting. We need to hold above the 3 to continue toward the 4. So we have a breakout now, holding. We need another 22%. Great pump for today. Let me just put it here, $2.82, if we don't want to have a sell-off. Now we need to hold, then continue toward the 4 for IOTA. And before I forget, let me just put $3.88 as a trigger for a profit. Now it's kind of holding. There's a potential pump now, $3.32. $3. We need $3.40 for a potential pump. Let's go to PACW. 1780 is kind of another squeeze. Tesla still pumping. This one got rejected. FRC got rejected. Okay, the banking system have a trouble. The banking system have trouble. TENX have a trouble as well. I will take it from the list at the moment. HYMC as well, take it from the list. This one will take a bit of time to go around the $1.57. IOTA looking interesting. So yeah, IOTA looking interesting for this pump, 18%. The volume is still light. The volume is still light. Okay, this one got shorted. Great opportunity to short this one. Yeah, the $60, as we said, this is the level to break. We didn't break it. We just tested. That's why we suggest always to take profit. See what's happened? Always take profit. Now we need to hold above the 55.89 in order to have a reversal here. Otherwise, continuation down toward the 51. Just watch out. This will trigger a huge sell-off. This support, it should hold right now for this stock. FRC, yeah, getting shorted as well. Getting shorted as well. We didn't even test the 54 when the market opened. So watch out. We got a huge sell-off. Yeah, SCHW breaking and sold off. Yeah, huge sell-off. Huge sell-off triggered because we got rejected around the 60. There's a huge short seller line there. Huge short seller. FRC, I think we got halted. I believe we got halted down. Let me just check how much. Yeah, I think we got halted. Okay, watch out for FRC. When we unhalt, we're gonna have a test for this level of support, the 42. If we broke it, boom, huge selling pressure once again, because we tested the 54.55. Trigger for another sell-off. You see what's happened here? We got a huge buying pressure because this is the support. Okay, interesting. This is good. Tesla have a bit of pullback. IOTA, okay, testing the breakout zone once again. Welcome everybody. TRKA and the move. TRKA on the move. You know, trade INTC breaking, I think. INTC breaking. Yeah, interesting. Finally, we break the 2750. Finally. Let's see a break. Yeah, TRKA kind of moving. Just testing, I think. We just test. Yeah, there is an interesting test now. Interesting test around the 27. Let me just take this. Yeah, we might see a test now. If we got rejected, is mean continuation down toward the 18 cent. Okay, Tesla looking interesting, guys. Tesla looking really interesting. Finally, we have the reversal from the bottom. And see what's happened. When we reverse from the 163, our bottom, we got this final reversal. Interesting. And now we're breaking this bearish momentum down. You see here? So now we got first profit and rejection, for my opinion, 184. This is where we're gonna get rejected, fueling up, testing the 177 as a support, then continue to go higher. This is the reaction that I want to see now for Tesla. This will be interesting to watch. Yeah, looking really interesting play. This one still holding, still struggling. Yeah, 55. Yeah, we still holding. You know what? Let me just take this off and put the support here around the 54 as a bottom to hold. FRC, okay, we unhalted, we opened down a bit. We're gonna have a test for the 42 now. Let me lower this support because we might see a drop below it around the 40. Yeah, 41. Yeah, exactly around the 41. Let's see if we held or we're gonna have a break, because the other bank hold the support. FRC should hold this area. We should have a support to confirm a reversal. Interesting now, interesting. You have to think really fast. You have to think really fast. Because in trading, you have to improvise. Sometimes the unthinkable happen. That's why we have to have many strategy, many ideas, many exit strategy in order to never panic. Because panic only happened when you don't know what's gonna happen next. That's why people panic and get scared. Imagine why people get scared. Because of unknown. If you don't know what the outcome of something, you get afraid of doing it, or even plunge or take the leap, because you don't know on the other side what's gonna happen. That's the fear, you know. That's the source of fear of man, or even animal, whatever, because they don't know what's gonna happen next. If you know at least the outcome and the solution for any bad outcome, you never be afraid. See what's happened here. We have a bounce. Great. We have a bounce from this ascending channel. Great. So now we have to have a reversal, continuation higher toward the 54. This is what I want to see. Tesla still pumping, 4%. Mira sweep, great hunt, brother. Yeah, TRKA is pumping. IOTA is still holding the current breakout zone. Yeah, interesting. TRKA is pumping. We gonna have a test at the moment around this resistance, the 28. We might get rejected. Just watch out. This is a resistance. If we get rejected, continuation down toward the 18. Bull trap here. This might be a bull trap. So how we know if it's not a bull trap? This would be a great question to ask. Let me just go on the smaller picture. We see that bomb. Yeah, it's tricky here. Yeah, we need to hold here. If we don't want to go down toward the 18, if we hold the 22.90, this would be a confirmed breakout. Eventually we're gonna break this level. So even if we got rejected here around the 28, we need to hold above the 22 to go toward the 34. You see what's happened here? Starting a bit of rejection, red candle. Watch out. FRC. Okay, FRC have pulled back. I think we halted up now. For FRC, we halted up. See how much halt we did now? Just 2 when the market opened. And the market is just open 20 minutes and we already have 2 halt for FRC. Imagine the volatility. Man, this is madness. Yeah, I know. IOTA bouncing back. Let's see a hold up above the 3 to continue toward the 4. 17% up. Yeah, we could make I think another 20% if we held the 3, another 20% at least. So already have alert around the 3 and alert around the $3.88 for IOTA. Almost 4 million. Yesterday we have potential to break, but we have this flag and the price went down from it. We did the pre-market update today when we said the $2.37 should be the support. Breakout zone, the $3.11. We broke and now there's accumulation and there's a potential pump. Once again for IOTA. TRKA, pull back, of course, because this is the resistance. You see what happened? 28.35 is the resistance. Now we're gonna have a pullback down. Now we need to hold the 22 to confirm that we don't have a sell-off. Watch out, guys. This stock is pretty volatile. We're already dumped down like almost 70%. You see what's happened? So it's still the short seller in control. That's why we suggest if we hold the 22.90, it means there's no sell-off and then potential break for this level and continuation higher once again. If we didn't, this means continuation down toward the 18 cent. Now we're still holding. IOTA jumping. IOTA is jumping 20%. Tesla is pulling back. FRC is halted up. FRC is halted up. Already halted twice for this stock. This bank, the First Republic Bank, we had almost back and back 60% down in 2 days straight, and today is the first day that we have a pre-market 50% up for the stock after 2 days of hammering down from the short sellers. So we might see a turning point. Okay, Ray said $140 price target for FRC. Yeah. Max, regarding once, it hit our breakout zone and alert. We got actually alerted, but the volume is really light. That's why I don't like it. You see here, we have a breakout yesterday around the $2.90, but the price kind of held the breakout, and we don't have a continuation because the volume is light. And the reason of that, we got earnings just tomorrow. That's why the price is pumping. We got some insider playing this stock. For this one, we have to watch out for the $3.65 and the $4.84 as a profit taken. Of course, if we held above this current support, let me just go in the big picture because we got light volume. Yeah, the support is tricky for this one. Yeah, the bottom is $1.74, which confirm us that we don't have a sell-off. But at the time being, if we want to confirm a breakout from this light volume, we need to hold above the $2.89. So the $2.89, we should hold it to confirm at least a continuation toward the $3.65. Light volume, guys, light volume. I don't like light volume because it's easily manipulated. TRKA still struggling. FRC unhalted. FRC unhalted. Okay, the short is still shorting the stock, both of them. We might see a continuation down for both of them. Yeah, it's tricky now. For both of them, it's tricky because we don't have a confirmation for strength or selling pressure yet. We are in between heaven and hell. You don't know where you're gonna go. You're not a sinner and you're not a giver. So you be in between. I don't know, there is a name for that. There is a name for that, like some people can't go to heaven or hell. They will be stuck in between. Purgatory, yeah, the purgatory. I think it's written in the Bible. Sometimes we don't have this like in Quran or it's like Islam tradition. I think in the Bible they have this purgatory. Like some people get lost in between. This is the worst. This is the worst, I think. Oh man, FRC is lost in purgatory now, in between hell and heaven. We don't have a confirmation yet who's controlling the market for FRC. Undecision phase. I don't like to trade here. This is really risky. SCHW. We got rejected 60, price shorted. Now we're still holding the 54. Tesla still struggling. PXMD hit our scan. Okay, we hit the first profit taken, $2.38. We discussed this stock on our Jesus watch list for today. Yeah, it was first. Then we discussed FRC and TNX, HYMC. Yeah, so PXMD was first, and we discussed this profit taken because we held the $1.81. Now, just testing. You see what's happened here? It's still testing. Next profit taken around the $3 as we suggest. There's a potential. Now the volume is a bit light as well for this one, just 1 million. TRKA, huge pullback. TRKA, huge pullback. 3% now. See what happened? It's not clear yet. There's a pull trap yet still. You see what happened? Pull back for TRKA. IORA still have potential to pump now. $3.33. What's gonna be? We need to new high toward the $3.40. Huge bump. We need a huge bump. Great bounce for today. Let's see the 4. Let's see the $3.88 at least. We wait for the $3.88 as alert here. We already set alert here and down below. We don't have to watch it because sometimes the trade takes some time to go there. That's why we're watching the other price action stock like FRC. See what's happened here. Great bounce from our ascending line and now is still holding. Interesting for both of them. Let's see what's cooking here on the volume gainer. We got MNTV. Yeah, I think an offering. Yeah. Acquisition, yeah. Doesn't look interesting. Tesla, of course, the third. Then we got PAC and we got Mara, of course. 17 million. We got PACW. Key, interesting name. AMD, of course. AMD semiconductors looking interesting. Top gainer on the other hand is FRC, still top gainer stock for today, 46%. And we got WAL. Okay, Yoda I think is ready now to pump. Still just testing a new high. Okay, pumping. Yoda pumping. Pumping. $3.40. $3.43. Interesting play. Yeah, huge selling pressure. FRC, yeah, still the 54.55 is the squeeze. This is it now. If we broke this level, we're gonna have a sell-off for FRC to go toward the 30 once again. But someone buying still around this area because we bounce right above our support. Wow, TRKA is still going down. I don't understand your question, Yahya, regarding executing stock market. Any brokerage account have this market order, and many brokerage account now they have zero fees regarding market order. Before there is fees, you know, you have to be the taker, you have to be the maker of the volume or by doing like by limit order. But now most brokerage account offer zero fees. Zakaria, UNCY. UNCY is kind of struggling now because we didn't broke the level. That's why we went down now toward the $1.75. If you remember, guys, yesterday we discussed UNCY and we said we have double top here. You see here, this is a sign of weakness when we saw this, and we said if we don't hold the $2.18, we're gonna have a continuation down toward the $1.75. And guess what? We visit the $1.75, and now 5 green minute candle forming. So now this is the support we should hold if we don't want to have a sell-off for UNCY. Watch out closely, because if we broke it, we're gonna have the $1.35. So watch out. This should be a support for today. We're gonna have a pull toward the $2.18, which is our resistance. Let me just make it higher around the $2.26. This is the resistance. This is the support. We have to watch. Yeah, interesting level. INTC, I think it's breaking our level. Okay, INTC looking interesting. FRC still holding strongly. AIMD is still accumulating down below the breakout zone, the $1.57. IOTA still holding. Tesla still holding as well, and this one have a struggle because we got rejected right around the resistance 60. For the markets, it's green today. It's green, looking interesting. We have the financial banking system recovering really pretty nice. Green everywhere. So we have a solution. That's why we have some kind of recovery for the banking system, because, of course, the Federal Reserve will just print some money, you know. This is the solution. Print some more. Print. It's good. If you just lose money, you just go to the bank and tell them to print you some money. But this is only happen for the big dogs, you know. If they lose money, they will gain money. The government will print them money. But if you lost your money, nobody can print you money. It's gone. It's gone forever. You see, this is the rules. The rules when you are big. Too big to fail, you're never gonna fail. $56, still going down. $4.57 FRC. Yeah, still holding really good. We got some news regarding the stock. A lot of banks saying that they don't hold any cash deposited or securities at SVB Bank. Many bank like try to prove that they don't relate to this bank. It's like cancer, you know. All the banking systems getting away from SVB Bank, even if they have some kind of relation before this kind of bankruptcy and this kind of bad news. Everybody right now turning their back and just running. Oh man, this is crazy what's going on for the market. Yes, Luis, of course. Okay, Neo. Okay, Neo is still trending down, even though we bounced from the bottom, the 8, but we did a new low now. Price is still continue to go down below this AMA, so it's still bearish now. We might see a continuation for this bearish momentum down until the 5. So yeah, we're gonna have a continuation for this channel, down trending channel toward the 5. In the time being, let me just lower my alert. We might see a breakout. Yeah, it's looking bearish, Neo. Luis looking bearish. For Neo is looking bearish. We might see a consolidation down and new low around the $6.50 and the $5.60. The time being, we got the $9.70 as resistance, the first resistance to have a breakout. Yeah, FRC could be the printer machine for this year. There's always opportunity. See what's happened when we have a huge selling pressure. There's a potential to buy the dip for those stocks, and this stock is not penny stock. Imagine it's $44 and it jumped 44%. This has never happened like in normal days. So usually in the time of turmoil and panic, there is always opportunity to make a big bucks. However, we have to be strategic and never get FOMO. Elite, my brother, AMST is still low on volume. Already put alert. You have to put alert around the $4.11 for confirmation for a breakout. But now I just watch for the bottom, the $2 and breakout zone for $4.11. Johnny. For NVOS, let me just check it very quick. Okay, so we got some for support forming finally for this stock above the 12. So we have a support 12 cent, still the breakout around the 16 cents, so we're still a bit far from this breakout zone. We need at least another pump for the stock 20% to have a potential breakout toward the 18 and 24. The time being, we have to watch out for holding this current support and continue to consolidate. Okay, FRC holding greatly, strongly above our support. Let's watch this printing machine, money printing machine. Yeah, 54, as we said, this one, the 54 should be the support. TNX. TNX hit our scan now. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Not looking good now. Seriously. Not looking good. That's why we took it from the list now. Let's keep watching FRC. FRC looking interesting. As we said, if we hold above this ascending line, we're gonna have another pump. This is it. If we hold this level, we're gonna have a pump. If we don't hold above the 41, a sell-off. Simple. Straightforward trade. This is straightforward. I know, brother. As I said it before, we got many viewers and like less than likes, so almost 112 people watching, but 47 likes. And the reason of that, I know that because many of our hunters are focused on trading and they can't actually press the like button, is really normal. Usually for other videos on YouTube, a lot of people say like the video, because they just doing like, I don't know, like playing games or not something serious, you know, because people watching those kind of videos just to enjoy their time. But our video is money. It's about making money. So a lot of people focus on making money. It's not about liking the video. Even they like the video, they forget, you know. So I understand completely. That's why I stopped saying like the video, do this, do that. Because it's not cool, and I know a lot of people want to focus on the video, not liking the video. So yeah, the HYMC is going down. It's going down. It's not looking good. FRC is still looking interesting. Yeah, still holding. Still holding, and there's someone still selling. That's why we have accumulation here. The good thing is we're not halted. We're not halted because we have a small range here. You see, small range, small range. Let's go deeper and see what's going on. Yeah, someone start to short. Someone started to short. Yeah, we got a big seller around the 47.12. Big buyer around the 44. Yeah, we got tight levels here. 44.44. We got 44444. Oh man, this is crazy level. Okay, many of you are with IOTA. IOTA accumulating. I'm telling you guys, this is accumulation. If we held the tree, game on. If we broke this level now, after this accumulation, we're gonna have a game on. This one will be a game on. Another huge pump, 20% at least, toward the 4. Now the rocket is fueling. We have a fueling here. We have a rejection because there's a big seller around the $3.40. Price went down. Now a fueling moment. Fueling. What's me fueling? Of course, if you watch NASA for launching for the rocket, you know fueling is really important. And the rocket have for for a rocket to go actually outside the space, you need to have at least 3 rockets, you know. The first one, the first stratosphere, the second one to push you outside the gravity, and the third one to actually give you to give you the parabolic speed to go what's called the escape velocity, yeah, from Earth. So we have to have 3 rockets. So this is for the rocket. For the stocks, we have the first pump from the first stratosphere of Earth. We didn't escape gravity yet. That's why there is a huge pull from the gravity down, and the gravity here is the short sellers. And as we said, we need another pump, and this is the second rocket for IOTA to go higher toward outer space and be a satellite. This is not strong stock, the stock that really is strong go to the moon or to Mars. But even though if we go to satellite and we have the range to escape the velocity of Earth and be like circling around Earth, is good. It's good. But now you see the gravity still push us down toward this level of support. So it's still not ready yet. Not ready yet for IOTA. The same for FRC. It's not ready yet. We have small range though. We have small range for FRC. We spotted a seller around the 47, a buyer around the 44, 48. So we got a small range here. Let me just check how much we can do. Yeah, 4% in this range, 4%. Right, this is really good. This is really good idea. Never start the show until you have 100 likes. Maybe we'll start this for the next video. Yeah, the market is still sideways trading. The market is sideways. We got sideways market. Lucid getting rejected below the $8.20. INTC is pumping, guys. INTC is pumping. INTC is pumping. $27.64. Okay, Tesla is going up once again. Nvidia is going 4%. Wow, Meta. Wow. Meta going really good. We have almost 4% pump. AMD pump 6%. Okay, though the market is looking interesting today. Yeah, we need another push. Another 1%. Wow. We are inside this channel, guys. This box. We're inside this box of reloading for FRC. Nothing will happen inside this level. This is just accumulation. There's a potential bump up or bump down. That's why it's risky. Boom. We're watching the direction of the market. It's not decided yet. We're not decided. Like IOTA, still inside this box. Yeah, the market is sideways. The market is sideways. Oh, you remind me. We need the holy water. Okay, let's bring some holy water, clear holy water, mixed with rose water. It's not normal water. This one is not normal. You can't find it anywhere. I was hunting for this water in the mountain, in Lyon mountain in France, in south of France. I took this water from the source. Imagine, I just hiked for the mountain for almost like 3 hours and camped in in a mountaintop. And I went hunting for this source water from the mountain. It was cold, man. I drink it from the mountain. It's coming up from the mountain. It's cold. This is how you should drink your water. Every day you have to go to the mountain to bring the source. The water that's been hidden through the ages, and you drink the water mixed with minerals and superpowers. You know, it's not normal water that you drink from the faucet or I don't know, bottled water. I like to hunt for my water. FRC. Oh man, there's something is cooking here. There's something is cooking. FRC cooking something for us. 46, 48. Okay, we have a pump. Okay, let's see a continuation here. Let's go. FRC testing the box that's the first time. Try to escape. Try to escape gravity. Another rejection. Not yet, not yet. What we learned, guys, what we learned in trading. Patience. Patience is the key. So we try to hunt a deer and run away from you. You have to be patient. You have to follow him. You have to see the tracks. And the next time, you have to be cautious to never let the deer hear you coming. You know, you have to be more stealth. So the same for FRC. You see what happened here? FRC saw us seeing this breakout, so got us fake out. And we want to have a confirmation now. We don't want to get caught up on this kind of fake out. So this is the trick in trading, spotting the right breakout. We got Tesla. IOTA as well is preparing for something. Let me just bring this here. FRC is about to pump. Let's see it. Wow, it's really tight here. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, we pumping? Are we pumping now or not? Okay, there's something now happening for FRC. There's a potential here. Okay, we kind of got the breakout here. We got test around the $50 for FRC. First breakout from this flag around the 46.90. We got a breakout here, but still we don't have a continuation for this breakout. That's why we have this resistance. There's shorts still there. Tesla going back down. Denise, right is pumping. Exactly, John. Exactly. No panic here. Hunters never panic. Right, 12% up. So this is not a pump. This is not a pump. Yeah, right, and HUT pumping because cryptocurrency is pumping. So this is normal. We got some relation for this stocks with cryptocurrency. That's why they're pumping. We got a test and breakout zone to be tested for Riot pretty soon around the $7.75. Interesting level to break and go higher once again. And this is the squeeze, so I'll put alert for Riot. You know what I'm gonna do, because it look really interesting, because what's happening for crypto, and it's kind of easy trade because we might see a continuation for the stock with HUT, both of them looking interesting. Thank you for bringing this up, brother. Who's actually told us about Riot? Denise. Thank you, Denise. So we got Riot and we got HUT, both of them looking interesting for a continuation. Marathon digital holding as well. We have a great reversal from the bottom. DKNG looking interesting as well. INTC looking interesting as well. AMBI. Johnny, AMBI 124% on light volume. We got IPO price. Yeah, IPO price was around $23 yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we have the IPO for the stock. The price now is going down or going up almost 124%. Okay, so this one should be test this level first. 1594 which is resistant and profit taken. Of course, 23. For the time being, we have to watch, yeah, for the 1590. And we need to hold this current support at the $9, above the $10. So the $9 support, 15 profit taken and resistant, where we're gonna have a huge rejection here. So we might see a continuation, another huge green candle, then reversal below the $16. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 26%. Maybe we're gonna get this alert before we end our live streaming. Let's check if we could hit this level before we end our live streaming for today. Interesting play, 228K. This is normal because we just got the IPO for the stock yesterday. That's why the volume is light. Okay, this one is about to squeeze, guys. This one is about to squeeze. Interesting play. $50 should be the squeeze for the stock, or rejection. $50. TRK got rejected. That's why we didn't cover it now, because we got rejected around the 28.35. So we got alerted. A lot of you asked me about 20 a.m. about TRK. Made a sweep, I think, and he said TRK is pumping. We check it around this area here, and we saw a bit of weakness. That's why we said there's a rejection will happen here. Price went down now. 3%. We were almost 9% up, now 3% down. We said that 22.90 is our support now. Resistance confirmed around the 28. FRC getting rejected near the resistance as well. IOTA have triggered our level. Yeah, dropped down. Yeah, the shorts won the game here. Again, we have accumulation here. Price didn't hold. You see what happened? The shorts just add some position here on this wick. We should have actually broke out, and we have our squeeze here, but the price didn't break. Now we got sold off. Like happened yesterday, we have test, then we broke down. So now this one, we have to take it from our list because it's heavily manipulated and heavily shorted. We should have actually got the breakout here around the $3.35. Price got rejected right around this candle. Just in case, I will put another alert around the $2.37, which is our bottom. If we want to have a reversal and at least test for the $4 once again power hour, we need to hold above our current AMA, which is above the 2.64 to go higher once again. So this is it. The bottom is $2.37 for this stock in order to go higher once again, because we got shorted now. Okay, FRC doing all right. FRC doing all right. Are we gonna break the $50 right now or not? AMBI, yeah, $15 hit our resistance area. You see what's happened? Huge rejection now, unhalted around the 15, and we got rejected around the 16, and now getting rejected. AMBI test our level of resistance, as we said, the 1593, now halted down. I think now is halted down. AMBI, one of the IPO stock, one of the IPO stocks. For this one, we're gonna have a huge pullback now around around the 11. We're gonna have a huge pullback around the 11. We might see a reversal here because now it's halted below the breakout zone. We went until the 16, so now it's halted down. And let me just put another level of reversal around the 12. After unhalting, we're gonna have this reaction, price test the 11, then test again the 1590. If we broke it, we're gonna have continuation, huge continuation toward the 23. But now in the time being, we need to hold this current support, will define everything. Let's see how much. Yeah, we might give another 40%. So here should be a reversal area to have a reloading phase. Boom, boom. Yeah, FRC have a struggle toward the 50, which is our breakout zone, and continuation higher toward the squeeze, the 54. Unhalted, AMBI. Volume is picking up around the 500K. We're gonna have a continuation down. Hopefully, we need to have a continuation down for this stock. Around the 11 or the 12 would be a great reversal. Wow, FRC is still holding. Okay, Shiba coin is pumping, I think. Yeah, it's pumping. Matic is pumping as well. ADA is pumping. We got a really great reaction for the market. See with me, we got really great continuation for ADA, 6%. Bitcoin have a great continuation and hold up a new support here. Matic is doing all right. We have another support. Interesting play. Ethereum, Luna Classic is pumping. Gala, wow, Gala doing really alright. We have a great bounce, 13% now. Ethereum Classic is pumping. So the market is doing really alright for cryptocurrency. Dogecoin, Shiba Coin testing our breakout zone now. Yeah, the market is reacting. Cryptocurrency doing alright, guys. That's why HUT and Riot pumping as well. Let's go to FRC. There's a potential for this stock. It's still have a struggle. Last time we spoke about it, we said we need to have a hold up above this ascending channel. We did. After unhalting, the price accumulated here, pump, and now accumulated once again, and there's potential another pump. We got tight support around the 46.90 if we don't want to have a sell-off. Breakout is around the 50. Let's check how much we can do from here. Another 9%. Wow. Yeah, there's price target $70 for this one. Now it's dumping down. Normal. This is normal. Wow. IOTA looking interesting. AMPI holding the support, holding this box. We might see a reversal now toward the $16. As we said, this is a resistant. We discussed this level of resistance when the price was halted here around the 12.80. Yeah, around the $3.35. Yeah, we got halted, price unhalted around the $3.41. Then got rejected around our resistance that we discussed before the unhalting around the $16. Bounce back from our support. Now is it. We need to accumulate, then break this resistance. Okay, struggling. FRC is struggling. Exactly, John, exactly. Johnny, you think so? That AMPI is game over? Yeah, the 1590 is the resistance now. If we don't broke it, is mean continuation down. Now you see it. The short is still controlling. So here is not good. Here is not good. We already did almost 200%. That's why we got the huge selling pressure around the 1590. Hopefully you took your profit around our resistance, Johnny. FRC. Tesla is going down once again. Pull back for Tesla. Okay, we have to test again the $3.11. If we get rejected here, is mean a weakness, is mean a continuation down. If we get rejected now, is mean short seller still controlling, and we gonna go down toward the $2.64. Let me just lower this down here. Okay, Tesla or the SPY doing all right, testing the resistance. Almost around the 400. Marathon looking really interesting. Mara. We have a breakout pretty soon will happen around the $7.77. Really interesting play for this one. We might see a really great play for this one. $8.50. Let me just check how much we can do here. 9%, not bad. Wow, AMPI testing the breakout zone once again. Again, 1593 and went down, double top. Wow, this is really interesting. AMPI tested twice the breakout zone around the 1593. Getting rejected once again, not once but twice, and I think now we got halted around the 1482 with 165%. Now, okay, false halt, the price is about to break the 1593. What's gonna be now? Yeah, breaking down now. Now finally over 1 million for the volume. FRC is still holding. We have a huge wick here. Someone bought big time around the 48. So still holding. You see what's going on now? We still have accumulation. The same reaction that happened here. We got accumulation, then a breakout, and now we need another breakout. Whoa, it's about to break. AMBI is about to break, held above our support. Great bounce from the 14. 1590 should be a breakout zone for AMBI. It's getting tight. Okay, breakout. 1655. Still 1670. We're gonna test the 1670. We don't want to have a rejection there. Huge seller around the 1672. Yeah, huge seller. 1672. We're gonna have another try to break this level. We got a few seconds, 11, 10 seconds to break. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. 4, 3, 2, 1, break. Yes. Come on, 1675. Okay. We have a new high around the 1688. Yeah. Big buying pressure now. Let's see a new high towards the 20. Oh man, this one is gonna make huge bump. 200%. Halted once again around the $17. Let's check their website. Okay, so we have the surfaces they do actually: oil spill, chemical accidents, disaster response, decontamination, industrial surfaces, and we have environmental product, waste transport. Okay, so they actually already making some improvement for a lot of sectors, for a lot of companies, so they actually making money. So this is the most important thing for any IBO, for any stocks, you know. So the most important thing is what's the product, what's they actually doing. And from the just a glimpse on their website, we see that they are environment friendly, and at the same time helping company to manage their problems like oil spill or decontamination for in factories or something like this, which is really needed in the many industry right now. So that's why we see interesting interest in the investors to buy the stock. Pumped once again after the dump from the 23. Interesting. Oh man, it's getting more visible. This is last Sunday. I got like a huge accident with my bike. It was really funny. I was smiling after the accident. I was really running in the track, try to compete with myself. And I fall from the bike and hit my head on the wall. Yeah, it was unfortunate, but what we could do, man always looking for trouble. Okay, FRC is accumulating. There's something about to happen for FRC. David, n'est pas bon. Non, c'est bon, brother, c'est bon. Tout c'est possible. I think you talk about n'est pas bon, about the problem with my accident. John, of course, yeah, below the $23. And halted around the $17. Yeah, the $20 will be tested. If we hold above the 23. Yeah, many of you asking about this stock, AMPI. We got a huge pump. We got a request for this stock before the unhalt. Now it's pumping $18, going toward the 23. So this is the ultimate profit taken for today and the resistance. I think it's got halted once again. No? Okay, we went down. Watch out. We don't want to have a break for the 15. If we don't want to have a fake breakout. Okay, 1870. Great. Huge pump. We need the 23 now. 230. Yeah, 230. Now is really pumping. We're missing another 25%. $20. There's a potential for test for the $20 first. Already have alert here. $19. Wow, still bombing. Okay, rejection near the 20. So the 20 is psychological level. That's why we got a bit of rejection there. Yeah, the 23 is the ultimate profit taken for this one. Now the 20 is the psychological level. If we broke it without any resistance, we're gonna go toward the 23.69. As we said, the 15.90 is our current support now, and breakout zone, of course. $250%. Okay, $20 psychological level went down now. We have a resistance now around the 20 before the 23. As we said, the $20 is psychological level. Now we have a bit of rejection, but not sell off. This is just a test. We see a bit of buying pressure here. This is good. We need the pullback and going boom directly toward the 23. Yeah, 20, 90. is about to test the 23. It wants to test the 23. IOTA or AMPI struggling to hold above the 20, which is the psychological level. It will be really great to test the 23, then getting rejected. This would be really great. $20, $20. Yeah, the 20 is the psychological level. We got rejected around the 20 instead of 23. We don't hold around the 20. We have just a breakout, but we didn't hold it. We went below it. Now is on the 18, so it's still holding this current support. As we said, the 16 and 15 should be the support now to continue toward the 23. If we want to see the 23, we need to hold this current support. Okay, FRC is about to break. FRC finally. FRC is about to break the 50. FRC getting shorted around the 49 below the 50. We went until the 49.90. AMPI still holding the breakout zone. The 23.90 or 23.60 should be our breakout zone. Yeah, see what with me what's happened. Yoda got near the $3, got rejected once again near this resistance. That's why the price continued to go down. Let me lower this. We might see another test in power hour around the $3.11, which is our breakout zone. Yeah, we have this reaction. You see, we have accumulation here. Price try to break the resistance, pump down. Then now we pumped, accumulated here, price got shorted once again. Same scenario, two scenario happened twice. So we got a bottom and we got, let me just put another support. The sun has came. The sun has came on France. Let all the shadow be gone, and all the short seller have to cover. Amen. Yeah, FRC, not today. Yeah, the short still shorting. Wow, BBY testing the bottom once again around the $1.14. It's kind of risky now to buy, even though it's the bottom. We might see a breakout from this support and going below the $1. So we got an offering to facilitate another 100 million additional funding. We got offering, yeah. That's why the price bumped here around 10th of March, yeah. But this is not it. It's not enough. It's not enough. BBY is struggling. We have the $1.14, so BBY is testing the last bottom. We might see a test for the $1. Watch out, guys. If we don't hold this level, we're gonna go toward the $1, which will give us another dump down, almost 12%. But let me just put it there, $1.13. AMBI, huge selling pressure. We broke kind of the pattern. So the 20 psychological level, we hit the 20, price went down. Now the support is around the 1590. We need to hold it if we want to continue to go higher toward the 23. This is it. AMPI. Of course, we're gonna cover it later on. If we broke the 2390 or broke the support, we're gonna do chart analysis updates here on our Discord and our Patreon, of course. So watch out for this update after our live streaming that we always do daily, because when we talk about in our live streaming here, we talk about stocks. Sometimes the stock never break and enter a consolidation area. After we finish our live streaming, they break our levels, so we have to do update for them, like for TRK before, for FRC. Of course, when we discussed this breakout and tested the 41, that's why we did the chart analysis update yesterday here. From the breakout around the 34, yeah, 34, 27, and we went until the 42. Yesterday was a really great day for FRC. Today is a bit slow because we're already pumped in the pre-market 50%. So that's why we see a bit of slow in volume for this stock. We got some people said HUPC is pumping. Let me decide if it is pumping or just consolidating. Let's check it together. Yeah, it's pumping, all right. It's pumping from the bottom, the $1.28. But there's always a but. The $2.08 The $2.08 should be a breakout zone for this one. Not now. Still. It's going down, halted down, AMPI. IOTA is still holding the supports, which we should hold now if we want to have a power hour above the $2.85. PACW 58 is a bit far from the 17. Tesla is still holding, and this one, this bank, doing kind of all right. Luis, great hunt for AMPI. 3 trades. Thanks to Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Thank John for bringing this stock to us. CTMX. I think this stock, it was on your list and our last meeting that we did last Sunday, John, yeah? I think this was one of the great IPO. Yeah, this is really great, brother. CTMX 6%. CTMX, yeah, looking interesting. CTMX, low volume and low float for this stock, but still looking interesting because we broke from the $2. The $2 is our current support. Okay, CTMX. Someone brought CTMX to us. I don't know who's. Zakaria, yeah. Thank you, Zakaria, for bringing this to us because I forgot to put alert. And this play looking really interesting because we might see a test around the $2.36. Yes, this one looking good play, good play. First, we might see a test here, $2.22. So CTMX should be on our list, HUBC as well, and AMPI, of course, because still pumping. AMPI looking good, still holding. You see, we have a green candle forming now. IOTA looking interesting as well. There's another try to test and break the $3.11. There's a potential for the $4, as we discussed, the $3.90. This should be a profit taking. So it's still looking good. Tesla is still holding. This one is accumulating with FRC. Both of them are accumulating. CTMX, I think we got earnings today. Earnings, I think today, yeah, we're ready. I think the earning is today after hours, yeah. Earning today after hours. We got the estimate of negative 23. So the earnings is today after hours. $2.09.7. I think we got great earnings. That's why the price is pumping. But the volume is still light. Yeah, I got your email, Naeem. I'll get your email, Johnny. Thank you. Okay, FRC getting shorted now. We tried to break the 50, but we didn't. That's why there's selling pressure now. Yeah. Okay, FRC getting shorted. Okay. We might get halted down for this stock. Huge selling pressure for this one. 46. Huge selling pressure for FRC. We spotted the short seller here around the 50. That's why we said this is the breakout zone. Wow, AMPI double top around the 20. Wow, so this one is about to bump toward the 23 after all. CTMX getting shorted. IOTA is still holding. Tesla is still pumping. FRC is going up. But this is not it. This is no more reaction. The 50 is still our resistance for squeeze. And this one should be our support for a reversal. AMPI is pumping 23. Okay, the 23 should be our profit taken now. But we have a huge slippage. Be careful, guys. We have a huge slippage for this one. 23, 23, yeah, 21.90 now. 23 should be hit now. 23 should be hit. Yeah, 23.60. 22 now. UNCY hit our scan as well. Whoa. $22.17. Let's see the order books. Who sold around this level? Huge selling pressure. Yeah, it's a bit risky now. We already got rejected below the 23, but we're still doing higher lows. We have a rejection, pump, rejection, pump. So we're losing momentum now. We're losing a bit of momentum. IOTA going up toward the 3 once again. FRC. Okay, testing this level of resistance. You see what's happened here? This is a resistance that we should break. If we don't break it, continuation down for FRC toward this level. Okay, Tesla looking interesting. Yeah, we have a struggle. We have a struggle to overcome the 47. John, great question. It depends. If you want to keep your star here and getting like your question answered first, you could actually keep yourself here on YouTube to preserve your star. Otherwise, if you want more in direct connection with me and with other hunters, Discord and Patreon is better. And of course, there is chart analysis. And here on YouTube membership, I wish I could actually put chart analysis update. I think I could on community section, but usually we do it on Discord and on our YouTube and Patreon and Discord. So yeah, it depends on what you want. So on Discord there's more easier to contact with us. Because on YouTube you have to send comments, and usually in comment is not like in Discord is kind of faster reply. So it depends on your preferences. Like if you never use Discord, it's good that you're already using YouTube membership. It depends on the facility, what you prefer. And if you want to know exactly how it works, both of them, you can actually send me an email around trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. So if you still don't know what's the difference, you just send me an email. I will just send you exactly what each platform will do and what's the benefit of joining each platform. Okay, INTC going down or going up. Okay, INTC looking really good. Yeah, INTC, great hunt. INTC, great hunt. UNCY going down, of course. And FRC is going down as well. Yeah, we have a test. You see, guys, 47 test rejection. Yeah, Johnny, I saw. Great. So now you are on the Elite Hunter. What does mean? It mean you could actually have two meeting with me instead of one. So we could actually have two meetings for this month if you want, and we can actually schedule it. Depends on your availability. And of course, you have the ability to actually send me a request stock or short analysis update or live alert, of course, after we finish our live streaming. So let me know on Discord or Patreon, wherever you like to actually get your chart analysis, because those two platforms is really easier for me to update you about the play. So if you have any question regarding IPO stock or stock that have potential to squeeze, I could actually do a short private chart analysis update for you in order to have the exact entry and exit for it. You are welcome, John. Welcome to the Elite Hunter. Okay, pumping once again. FRC still try to test this level of resistance. If we never broke it, is mean boom, continuation down. What's gonna be? It's really tricky now. Okay, MPI getting shorted around the 22 this time. Still the 15 or the $16 is our support. You are welcome, John. Yeah, for IOTA, it's still moving between the $2.85 and the $3.11. So now, after this breakout and fake out around the $3.11, it's really struggling now. As we said, the $2.38 is the bottom for today and this week, of course, if we want to have a huge pump. In the time being, we need to have a bounce from this AMA around the $2.66, $2.87. So this area will give us a confirmation for a few run up and bouncing once again. Because this stock got shorted yesterday as well around this area. You see huge selling pressure. Then today pumped once again. And now went down below this area of support around this pump that we did around the $2.87. And we might see a huge pump down toward this AMA to have a bounce. So now we need to have a still continuation and doing higher lows. So the last low that we did yesterday, $2.52. Today preferably holding above the $2.67 in order to have a reversal in power hour. And the first signal for squeeze for power hour, just watch out, the $3.11. Once again, when we have this reaction holding above the $3.11, we're gonna have the pump around the $3.90 once again. So now is decisive moment for IOTA. FRC the same time. The same time we have decisive moment for FRC, which is the 47. The 47 is decisive. We have accumulation here, then another dump. If we have accumulation and we don't break in the 47, another dump down. Another dump down. SCHW. Still accumulating sideways. Yeah, Johnny. Yeah, you already told me about the IPOs. You have to be decisive and quickly for those kind of stocks. We're gonna do update for FRC today, of course, around 7 or 8 p.m. CT for today. Watch out, guys, because the price got rejected around the 50. We need to be careful because this stock have potential to have another pump. As for yesterday, we hunted for it after our live streaming for this breakout. So there is potential another breakout in power hour for this one. So we're gonna do short analysis update on Discord and Patreon. And of course, we're gonna discuss the other stock on our watch list, like Oyota. There's a potential still, and the other stock. So if we have a breakout, we're gonna do short analysis update, and we're gonna do, of course, video update for the stock that we're watching for tomorrow, and tomorrow as well as usual, 2 p.m. CET for our live streaming, or around the 9 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Now I have to make some cup of tea and move a bit, because I've been almost sitting 3 hours on this chairs and it's really painful. I prefer to always walk and like use my legs, because this is not normal to sit like almost 3 hours without moving. Thank you guys for watching and for actually trading with us. That's why we have this trading hunting community to trade all of us together. That's why it's good to trade with another fellow human being. It feels really good. Thank you guys for watching. As well as we said, tomorrow we're gonna have the same live streaming each day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next hunt.